You see, all these gears are actually spinnable. Hey guys, I'm back with Arizona Custom Knives. I'll put links in the description for this set of knives. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful set of knives I ever seen. Can you believe this? Wow. Honestly, I was really curious about this knife and how does this work. So we're gonna be learning together. Is one of this button? Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a watch. You see, all these gears are actually spinnable. So you kind of want to be careful closing it and opening it. Wow, that is amazing. That's a one-of-a-kind knife. It's a piece of art. That's definitely next level knife you'll ever see. Wow, check this out. It's a beast. I forgot which one do I need to pull on. That is very unique. Let's lift this ones up. So I don't even know how to hold this one. I guess this way. Beautiful. How does this closes? Is there's a button? You know what? It opens all the way like this. Oh, cool. Kind of like a boomerang type of thing. I don't even know how to close this. Oh, there you go, right here. It's a liner lock. There you go. And there's one more right here. That is one of a kind. Okay, and this one took me a minute to figure it out, but this is a back lock. So flicks this way out. Quite big knife, but yeah, that's a piece of art for sure. I wouldn't be carrying that, but you know what, for everybody different. That would be fun to carry around the knife. That is amazing. So I'll put the links in description. You can check out how much it costs and where you can buy it. It's available for anyone, but you gotta remember, there's only one for sale. Whatever sold is sold.